I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So I have to clean my room today. That's what I'm gonna do. It's going to be hopefully nice and clean, and then I gotta go to a meeting for my new job. But anyways, let's get to cleaning. So I gotta go, but this is my room so far. I have to take out the dirty clothes, up a couple other things, vacuum, definitely gotta vacuum. But I'm so glad I got it done because now I can come in here tonight and go to sleep and probably have like the best night's sleep ever. So let me show you my... Okay, so this is my outfit for my meeting. It is a very casual outfit. Like, you don't, like, honestly, you don't have to dress like super fancy where I work or anything. So this is why I'm dressing like this, because it's not a big deal. So anyways, I got this jacket from Rue 21. I got this shirt from Walmart in the men's section. It's a Marvel shirt and I love it. I love graphic tees. Oh my gosh. Just throw a nice jacket over it and then put it with some cool boots, some nice cute boots, and some black pants. So I got these pants from Target and I got the boots from Amazon. So yeah, we are ready to go. So just got done with the meeting. It was so good. He gave me, I wish I had it in my hand right now, but he gave me a Nerf gun and he's like, yeah, we do Nerf gun fights sometimes. I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. So yeah, we are doing good. I have some homework to do. Some work to do. I'm so excited, and he told me that he has like a couple people that want to be filmed already, so I'm super excited about that, and I'm just excited to see where God takes this. I'm so excited. Anyways, on Monday maybe I'll even bring you in to the office if that's okay. I'll ask him. But yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this for so long. But anyways, yeah, I have to go to my other job now. So I will check back with you guys in a little while.